Word list: common, confused, conversation, fellows, gravely, guard, hand, infuriated, student, spy. Common, as adjective, something that is done from two or more people. As noun, a piece of open land for public use. Brazil shares common borders with 10 other countries in South America. Confused, as adjective, unable to think clearly. As verb means mistake. Bobby is confused, and being confused makes him angry. Conversation, as noun, a talk between two or more people. That conversation had taken place 16 months ago. Fellows, as noun, a person in the same position, involved in the same activity, or otherwise associated with another. You fellows are good at managing the news. Gravely, as adverb, being serious. Jim studied him gravely. Guard, as verb, providing safety to someone from something. How many men guarding the supermarket, son? Hand, as noun, part of the human body beyond the wrist, including the palm, fingers, and thumb. As verb, hold the hand of someone in order to guide them in a specified direction. Nori smiled and put her hand on his. Infuriated, as verb, make someone extremely angry and impassionately. Andy was infuriated all over again. Student, as noun, someone who is studying in a place of higher education or university. Because I am a student of history. Spy, as noun, a person who is very curious about people's business. As verb, the act of following people. Police used spy camera footage to identify and convict 7 Yops. Common, confused, student, gravely, spy, conversation, hand, guard, fellows, infuriated.